Yo, we finna get into it, man. I'm not finna waste y'all time. We finna talk about Berklee College of Music. We finna talk about a whole bunch of stuff. Let me get my lighting together, because I've been to Berklee. All right, let's get right to it. Is Berklee College of Music worth it in 2024? This is from 2021, 2022, 46,000, almost 50 G's, boy. 50 for 1 year. That's close to Harvard. That's close to Harvard, and they're pretty much in the same city in Massachusetts. They're like 15, 20 minutes away. So my name is Darius Robbins. I actually went to Berklee College of Music. As you guys can see, I have articles written about me. I'm even featured in Yahoo Finance. All right. I went to Berklee College of Music between 2010 to 2012. And what I learned was if you're going to go to Berklee, this is not a place for artists. Like if you want to have like a full-time career as a recording artist and make your own music, this is not a place for you to be. I'm just going to be 100% real with you. Berklee College of Music is for people who want to learn solfege, who want to ta tiki ta tika tiki tiki ta, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a 5, and 6, and a 7, and a 1, and a 2. You're gonna learn those type of things. Some of you all probably listen to me like, what is he talking about? Ta tiki ta, right? That's ear training, solfege. Do re mi fa si sa for la ti do. Just type in solfege. That's what you learn in Berklee College of Music. Solfege. And how to do, I forget what they call it, but it was something with rhythm where you do 1 E and a 2, 3, 4, or 1 E and a 2, 3, 2 E and a 2, like in 3/4 time, 4/4 time, or 1 2 3, 1 tiki tiki ta ta ti ti ta tiki tiki ta ti ta. Like you like to hear this, you're like, no, there's no way. There's no way that they teach stuff like that there. I went to Berklee College of Music before they built that skyscraper. I helped fund that skyscraper. During 2010, the president that they had a new president that came in. Wasn't even really a musician. He was a businessman. So his job was to get as much money as possible through the college. So what do I do? I'm a marketer. Okay, I released my own music right after I went to Berklee. I came home from St. Louis, Missouri. I had $100,000 plus in student loan debt, and I wanted to make my own music. And I realized that I needed to market my own music, and I fell in love with marketing more so than music. And that's just my calling, is to market. Marketing is what connects you to fans, which connects you to potential customers. So what I do is I help you go from plan A to plan B. Instead of you pressing the promote button on all of these social media platforms and just, going through the motions, getting frustrated and DMing people your link. I'm a specialist. I help people actually go through the game plan and the strategy, because Drake doesn't press the promote button. Lil Baby don't run his own ads. Beyonce definitely doesn't run advertisements and stuff like that. We develop custom plans based on your budget, based on what you're trying to do, so you can get to the next level. Now, this is for people who want to be artists that thought that they should go to this school, or they thought they should go to college in general. You should not go to a music school if you're trying to be a full-time artist. That's just not it's just not good for you. Okay. If you are trying to be a professional musician and you want to be in, I guess, classical, and you want to be a professional musician, I guess, but the return on investment, you're probably going to be making $50,000 a year, possibly, if that. And you're going to have $250,000 worth of student loan debt after 4 or so years, at least 200,000 with interest in a couple of years. You're going to be at $250,000. So, to me, it's not worth it. You should get marketing. I have my own marketing company. As you guys can see, I have monthly plans. They're all organic. The viral plan is $5,000 and up. And when I mean by up, I mean by this. According to Coach K, co-founder of the label Quality Control that signed Lil Yachty, that managed Cardi B, that signed Lil Baby, Migos, the rap hip hop label. A number one hit cost $200,000. That's the article. You can literally Google it. Coach K, his name, and 200,000, and you'll see what pops up, and you can read the article for yourself. He was at Revolt's media conference, the summit, in 2019, and he was talking about that. So our viral plan starts at $5,000, and it goes up from there, and it's a 2-month service. Now, you can take out a loan. You could take out a loan and do this $46,000 and not have a fan base growing at all. You could do that. Or you can get actual real marketing. This is one of our examples, all right, guys, of what we do. So we run our own playlists, and we have artists that are in our own YouTube playlist. Most people don't know that you can have YouTube playlists. We run our own YouTube playlist, Spotify playlist, and we have different client results in here. As you guys can see, the comments are real, the views are real. Playing client playlist. This is our own playlist that's public. You're trying to big business, understand what's going on. You can go through this on your own time. I'm just skipping through so you guys can see that. And this is his video right here that we did marketing for. All right. Medusa Blingata, this is one of her videos here. And these people didn't go to college, guys. These people didn't spend all of that money to go to college to get mediocre results. Like this, another guy here that's on 600,000 playlists. Look at that, 600,000 playlists. So when I say it's $5,000 and up, you can go get a business loan. You can go get a personal loan, and we could turn you up, you know. And on top of that, it comes with a bonus of crypto investing. You guys see it on my channel. I talk about crypto. I talk about how to invest. I talk about how to get a return on your investment. These are bonuses because, yes, if you just pay $5,000 and you don't have a game plan on making your money back, then that's a high risk. That's the same thing as going to college. They don't teach you how to make money. They don't teach you how to gig. Okay. Even if you're not trying to be a artist, you need guidance. And I've been there, guys. This is an article. This is real stuff about me. Okay. This is in Yahoo Finance. Okay. I help a lot of artists get to the next level. I have non-disclosure agreements with a lot of different people in the music business, but I want to get on here and just let people know about Berklee College of Music and just college in general for music. It is not something that is beneficial to you guys if you're trying to be a full-time artist. And just in this industry, you can learn so many things online than going to a college to learn solfege and ear training and all this other type of crap. The amount of money that you'll need to blow as an artist is literally the tuition that you're putting out loans for. You can get a personal loan for $5,000 a month, or for $5K. You can get a business loan for $5K or $10K. Pay $500 to $1,000 a month. Learn how to grow a fan base with us, gain fans, and learn how to monetize that. Like when you become a client with us, we send you a private playlist of videos on what to do next, how to make the service better, along with consultation calls with us to further that situation. So it's a lot of stuff that we do here at Mike Check Global, business, crypto, and music. So if you guys are interested in, just thinking it over, like, man, should I really, do this whole Berklee College of Music thing, this whole music school thing, you might want to reconsider. You might want to talk to your parents. You might want to talk about just trying to blow up as an artist instead of taking out a loan to go to school. And this is somebody who's done it and had over $100,000 worth of student loan debt at 19 years old. All right, guys, I hope to talk to you guys soon. Shoot me that DM on Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. Wherever you see this video, shoot me that DM. Peace.